I've never pretended to be a professional wordsmith. I mispronounce words all the time. That tends to happen because I don't watch videos of people saying things before I read them. So I just kind of go with what I've heard or what makes sense to me based on my, I don't know, however many years of speaking the English language I have. But that leads us to today, where it has been brought to my attention that the way I pronounce Adeptus Custodes is completely wrong. It sounds like the issue is that I pronounce it like Adeptus Custodes, and I guess I'm supposed to be saying it as Adeptus Custodes. So today I thought we could take a little bit closer look at the word itself and some thoughts behind its pronunciation. Etymology is basically a fancy title for the study of where words come from. So in our case, if we start with the word custodes, it is actually just the plural of the word custos. And custos is an old Latin word for custodian or guardian. And this makes sense in the Warhammer 40k universe, because the Custodes are the guardians of the Imperial Palace and the Emperor on Terra. So Games Workshop basically just used the literal word for guardians as their name, Custodes. But now, how are you supposed to pronounce it? Well, from what I've seen, there are basically two camps in this debate, although I'm sure you could find more if you really wanted to. There's the people that say it as Custodes, where the DES is turned into a D's sound. And then there's the ones like me who say it as Custodes, where it's more of an ODS or OADS sound, I guess, like toads. Now, as far as I can tell, the rationale for saying it as Custodes, with the kind of D's sound, is, oh, it's Latin, and then other names that end with an ES in Latin, such as Achilles, Ares, or Hercules, are pronounced that way. You would never say Achilles, Rs, or Hercules. They just don't make sense. And to that, I would say, sure, sort of, but I would also point out that none of those words that are used as examples even end the same way as custodes. I think the more appropriate way would be to look at words that end in ODS. And if we look at those, you aren't going to go read ODs to faithful pets. You can't really write secret codes with your friends. You shouldn't be cracking open GODs with a hammer and chisel. You wouldn't wait for the next episodes of your favorite Netflix show. You don't send electricity through diodes on a circuit board. And you aren't going to pull nematodes out of your dog's butt. And also, going back to Achilles and such, while I understand the idea they are going for, I think there's a fundamental misunderstanding of why people don't pronounce those names like that in today's day and age. People don't say Achilles, Rs, Hercules, Codes, nematodes, diodes for the same reason why the Key and Peele Aaron sketch is so popular.
You done messed up, Aaron!
They just sound really stupid. And just like that, I think Custodes sounds stupid, which is why I refuse to say it that way. But you are more than welcome to say it however you want. In the grand scheme of things, whether you say Custodes or the correct version, Custodes, who really cares? If the way someone pronounces something takes away your enjoyment of that thing, I think you have bigger problems. So to each their own. But also, I live in America. So I can do what I want. That's all that really matters. And as a final thought, if you pronounce it like me, you'll never have to hear Adeptus Custodes nuts.
Got him!
So with that, I plan on being done talking about custodes for a while unless something really drastic happens. Whether you agree or disagree with me, go fight about it in the comments. That'll be great. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.